Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
A bird with a broken wing can indeed fly again if it receives prompt and appropriate care. The key is to ensure the wing is properly set and fully healed before the bird attempts to fly. Professional rehabilitation by a veterinarian or a wildlife rehabilitator is crucial for assessing the break and implementing the correct treatment plan, which may include splinting, surgery, or physical therapy. Recovery time varies, but with the right support, many birds successfully return to the wild.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.